Dear homeowners, welcome to our virtual house tour today. But for today's vlog, we will not going to have a tour sa houses but rather sa lot. So, sa Claremont tayo, here in Mabalacan. Currently, nandito tayo ngayon sa SM City, Pampanga. So, dito yung starting point natin. And we will going to enter sa NLEX, dito sa may San Fernando. And very accessible lang siya to all establishment and sa mga nearby, mga public market, hospital, and sa mga schools. Later, we're gonna show you around. But right now, ayan, papunta tayo ngayon dito sa may NLEX. So, let's go. So, some of the clients are not very familiar when it comes sa location dito sa Pampanga. But for dito nga sa vlog na to, we will going to tour you dito sa Claremont. Okay? So, this is the entrance sa NLEX. Ayan. So if you will notice, we will going to exit sa Santa Ines. And it's about 9 kilometers na lang. So malapit lang din talaga siya. Of course, kapag dumadaan tayo sa NLEX, wala talagang traffic. No? And yun nga, dito sa Pampanga, hindi ko naman sinasabing totally wala yung traffic. But what I can say is very manageable when it comes sa traffic dito sa Pampanga. Kasi when you go to Manila, 'di ba? Sobrang congested and sobrang traffic din talaga. But here in Pampanga is manageable siya. So here in Claremont, yan, madadaanan mo yung two cities like yun nga, San Fernando, Angeles, and of course, kung saan yung Claremont, which is Mabalacan. So yan, this is the Angeles exit. Siyempre, hindi tayo dyan mag-exit. Sa Santa Ines tayo mag-exit. And then, next sa Angeles exit is the U. The U exit, which is about 2 kilometers na lang. And sa Santa Ines, it's 7 kilometers. Kung what time tayo ba umalis kanina? About 9:10, 9:15, about ganun, no? But right now, it's 9:20. So, imagine 10 minutes pa lang from San Fernando and currently nasa Dauna tayo. And then, after this, we will gonna exit sa Santa Ines. So, you have also, ano dito, sa STEX, no? So, imagine, 2 kilometers na lang, mag-exit na tayo sa Santa Ines. And yun nga, it only proves na sobrang lapit nga lang. Diba? So, dito sa vlog na to, you will really witness how close the Claremont sa mga nearby establishments talaga. So, if you will notice yan, no, end of expressway, 1 kilometer na lang. Mag-exit na niyan tayo dito sa Santa Ines. Sobrang smooth lang ng travel natin. With the moderate driving, of course. Not too fast, not too slow lang din. Yan. So, we're here na dito sa may Santa Ines. Exit. Let's check how much. Yan. Naloadan na ang aking RFID. And then, dito sa Pampanga, hindi ka naman din maliligaw because you will see a lot of signages. Ayan, so, ayan, you could see the Clark Airport. Ayan. So, mag-right lang tayo dito. So, from here, after Santa Ines exit, it's about 3 to 5 minutes nasa site na tayo. Let's see. Ayan. So, mag-right lang tayo, and then diretso lang tayo. And we'll just go straight, and then sa left side yung Claremont. So you will also see a lot of signages kasi nandito na yung development. There are a lot of subdivisions nearby as well, such as nandito yung si SMDC, the Cheerful Homes, si First Park Homes by Century din yan. And then we also have the Hamana residents. So yan, mga big developers yan, no? And then yun nga, marami nang nag-saturate ng mga developers dito kasi nga they really saw the potential of yun nga na yung pag-progress at pag-develop ng area na to because it's really close to Clark International Airport. But yung pinaka-mauuna nating madadaanan is the Claremont. So siya yung unang-unang subdivision by, of course, it's by Philinvest na subdivision na mauna nating mapupuntahan. So, sobrang lapit na tayo. Like what I've mentioned, 3 to 5 minutes. Actually, nandito na tayo. So, here's the Claremont. So, if you will notice, yung sa harap niya, vacant pa lang siya because there will be future commercial spaces din dyan. And, yan. So, this is the main entrance of Claremont. Yan. And this one, it's very secured. So, 24/7, merong security guard. And mag-say hi lang tayo kay Kuya and pakilala lang tayo. Hi, sir. I'm Allan Marquez, licensed broker. We will going to have ocular visit dito sa Claremont. Okay? ID. Oh. See? Tingin ka ng ID. No? Dahil very secure dito, hindi ka basta-basta makakapasok. Wait lang po, no? Yeah, ayan. Bibigay muna tayo ng ID for security na hindi basta-basta makakapasok dito. Ayan. Thank you. No? Thank you po. Pero kilala na ako dito dahil nga madalas kami dito. Siyempre. Ayan. Thank you. So this is the Claremont. Actually, it is subdivided into 5 phases. Phase 1, Phase 2, Phase 3, Phase 4, and Phase 5. So every phases has their own respective entrance gate. And then we will be heading first to the clubhouse sa amenity area so that you could see what in store with Claremont. So, nandito tayo, like what I've mentioned, every phases has their own respective entrance gate. Ayan. Si Kuya ay another security guard, no? Again, this is really for safety ng mga residents dito. Kaya kailangan ulit tayo mag-provide ng ID. Okay. Sige po. Thank you, Kuya. Thank you po. So this is the visitor's pass. Despite na licensed broker na ako, kailangan pa din ng ganito for security again and safety. Alright? Thank you, Kuya. So this is the community of Claremont. If you've noticed din, no, ang daming mga puno, no, and ang dami ko na din mga clients dito.
Sana all.
From here, we'll just be heading to the right. So sa phase 1 muna tayo, which is yun nga na nandun located yung sa clubhouse. Despite it is subdivided into 5 phases, very close lang sila to each other. Hindi naman sila like sobrang layo. So ayan, makita nyo naman dito sa vlog, no, na sobrang lapit lang din nila. So we will be heading to the left. Dito, mag-turn left lang tayo. And ito na yung clubhouse nila. So, we will going to have a tour dito. Right. Let's park here. Let's go. Let's go to the amenity area of Claremont. So this is the clubhouse of Claremont. Yan. If you've noticed, very spacious din naman siya. So you could use this kapag may mga events such as birthdays, kapag may even mga wedding or simple celebrations na pwede nyong gamitin to kapag meron kayong mga events or gatherings. So on my right side, this is the swimming pool. Other side is the basketball court. So meron din siyang basketball court. And of course, meron din siyang playground. So complete amenities tayo dito. Punta naman tayo sa Phase 5 ng Claremont. So kung mapapansin nyo talaga, ang dami talagang mga puno dito na presko din naman yung hangin. Ayan. And yun nga na maganda din naman yung community dito, and you could build your own design when it comes to the building structure or dun sa house na gusto mo or preferred mong design, because it offers that only. So masusunod talaga yung gusto mo. However, meron lang kang design or theme na sinusunod, which is modern Asian dito sa Claremont. So this is the Phase 1 and this is the Phase 2 already. You could hear the chirping birds na nandito, no? Ayan. So right beside the Phase 2 is the Phase 5. So this is the Phase 5, no? Meron siyang kumbaga division. Ayan. We're going to tour you around. As of the moment, video recording, wala pang nakatayong mga bahay dito, no? But, yun, sooner or later, meron ng magtatayo din yan ng bahay dito. Let's go dito tayo. Baba tayo. Baba tayo. Game. So, nandito na tayo ngayon sa Phase 5. And if you've noticed, may mga signages na kung anong block and lot sila. Ayan. So, this is the block 14. And the typical cut size of mga or area ng mga lupa dito starts from 110 square meter and above. Ayan. And trivia. Okay, trivia. Sa mga lot owners, and this is what you call the muhon. Ayan. This is what you call the muhon. Meron siyang PS. So, this is the pinaka-markings kung saan yung property line mo. And again, this is what you call the muhon in Filipino. So, this is the corner lot na, ayan, you have two frontage dito. So, pwede ka dito or pwede din dito. And then, typical lot owners are eyeing for morning sun. Of course, pag morning sun, sumisikat yung araw on the east side. So, we will going to discuss further once you are interested kung ano ba yung mga morning sun na available for sale dito. So, for Claremont Phase 5, it has also its own amenity area. So, dito din magkakaroon ng clubhouse, basketball court, and even playground. So as you can see behind me, nandyan yung view of the Mount Arayat. So kapag magtatayo kayo ng bahay dito, you could feel the vibe na very nature yung atmosphere or yung ambience dito. So nandito naman tayo sa Phase 2, and just to give you an idea na yung some of the lot owners dito nagtayo na din ng kanilang own design, which is a modern Asian design theme din. Here's about the prices and computation of the lots available here. So just to give you a ballpark, this is just a ballpark estimate, nasa 2M-ish na sila. But if you have a further and detailed discussion, we conduct free Zoom presentation for us to share to you the right information and a specific block and lot, because every lot comes with a different prices. So depende sa cut size. So that's why feel free to send us a message and we're more than happy to guide and help you. So we're going to exit na and we will have a video podcast for a detailed discussion then about our project. Ayan. So we'll get the ID. Ayan. Hi Kuya! Thank you so much po. Alright. So our next stop is sa Hampton Orchard. So it offers another lot only for sale. And yun nga, very near lang din siya sa SM Telebastagan. It's just about 3 to 5 minutes away. And so we will going to enter Angeles or exit sa Angeles. So, ayan. Malapit na niyan tayo sa Angeles exit sa NLEX, no? From there, it's about a few minutes away na lang din going to Hampton Orchard. So next stop will be sa Hampton Orchard. And dito sa area na to, actually even si Ayala magkakaroon ng another development dito na mga commercial spaces, no? It's one of the central business district dito sa Angeles. And yun nga, si Hampton Orchard kasi, yun nga, na it's between the two cities. Located siya almost sa boundary ng San Fernando and even sa Angeles. So we will be heading yan doon. And yun nga, isa sa mga landmark na meron si Hampton is very close or very near siya sa SM Telebastagan. So it's about 3 to 5 minutes. So you will see naman through this vlog. So from this rotonda, ayan, mapupuntahan na natin yung SM Telebastagan. And of course, meron din tong malapit na mga schools and mga hospitals. So one of the schools we have dito. Yan, dito sa this one is the Chevalier School, one of the prominent na school dito sa Pampanga. And then here's the boundary of the Angeles to San Fernando. Magmula dito, again, very close lang talaga siya, very near, which is about 3 to 5 minutes away. So this is the SM Telebastagan. Actually, there are two ways going to Hampton Orchard. We could go straight or pwede na tayong mag right side going to Panings. Or yun nga, dire-diretso lang tayo, pwede yun. But we could choose the other side para we could have an idea kung saan yung access niya. Di bali, ito, meron kang access going to Panings. We'll just turn right. We're going to turn right here. So the good thing here is ginawa na yung daan dito, no? And very smooth na lang din yung travel time dahil nga yung road infrastructure dito is in-improve talaga nila. So from this stoplight, we'll just turn right. Itong daan na to, kapag tinuloy-tuloy nyo siya, it's an access going to Friendship Highway or sa Friendship area wherein nandun yung mga nandun yung Korean town, and pwede na din going to Clark International Airport. So you have the access kapag dinediretso mo to. However, we're going to turn left since this is the way going to Hampton. So as we turn left, we'll just go straight, and then from here, right beside the road, nandun na yung papuntang Hampton. See the signage of Hampton Orchard, no? Yung arrow niya is just go straight, and then few seconds lang nandyan na tayo. So we're just going to turn right. So you will notice turn right. So this is the right of way going to Hampton. And what I love dito sa right of way niya ay madaming mga puno din na very aesthetic din, no? Pwede kang mag-jog dito during the morning. Ayan. So yeah, you could see the flag of the Philinvest. So yan. And one thing that I love sa right of way niya is sobrang lawak ng ano niya, or sobrang lapad ng road nila. Yan. You will see naman dyan, no? You will notice. And then ito na yung pinaka main entrance ni Hampton Orchard. Project dito or ni Philinvest is syempre meron tayong guard check. Ayan. So dahil kilala na tayo din. Hello po. Kuya.
Hi, boss.
Yan.
Nandiyan lang po sila sa
surgery. Ayan. So alright, thank you. Alright. Dahil kilala na po tayo dito at tayo yung pero they will going to kumbaga get your ID if hindi pa kayo kilala dito, no? So that's form part of the security and safety din ng isang project dito sa Philinvest, which is again, this is the Hampton Orchard. It's the community, and malapit lang din yung clubhouse nila. So ito yan. Ito yung sa Hampton Orchard, at may malaking pa siya, Hampton parang bricks na ginawang per letter, no, yung sa Hampton to form the word Hampton. So we're here now in Hampton Orchard. Ayan yung sa clubhouse nila. And dito tayo mag-video podcast. Let's go! Hi, future homeowners! Welcome again to our virtual house tour video podcast. So, together with me is Sir Jury, who will be joining us. We will talk more about the Philinvest project dito sa Pampanga. So, namely sa Claremont and sa Hampton Orchard. So, yun, sir. Tell us more about sa Philinvest, sir. How Philinvest started?
Well, Philinvest started by the couple, the Gutianon family, no, based in Cebu. Sila Mercedes at saka sila Andrew. So this couple, si Mr. Andrew ay originally Chinese na Filipinized na, and then si Mercedes ay Manilenya, ganyan. Tapos they started the business, nagsimula lang sila muna doon sa nagpapaloan ng mga imported cars. That is after the war, no? When this couple went abroad, nakakita sila sa US na isang hilera ng lugar na magkakapareho ang bahay. That gave birth to the idea of why not bring it to the Philippines. So we are the first company na nagde-develop ng mga subdivision, no? Started on the mass housing. So yan, at doon na ginamit yung Philinvest Land Incorporated. And then from mass housing into mid-rise, into high-rise, into township, into commercial and cityhood. No, kaya meron kayo nakikitang Philinvest Alabang, meron kayo nakikitang Philinvest City. Yan ay mga mixed use of property development. But the majority of the business is on the residential housing. Yan talaga yung pagkakakilanlan ni Philinvest. We have been in the industry for more than 50 years. No? So ganun na kami katagal. No? But Philinvest is not only a property developer. He is also active in the industry of hospitality, also active in the industry of bank and financing. So very popular is the East West Bank.
And then pag-tie up sila with East West, sir?
Because they own it too, but it's another industry nga lang, no? So I'm saying na iba yung Philinvest now is a conglomerate, no? Kaya iba-iba na yung industry ang sinasalihan niya. Recently, Philinvest involved itself or active itself in the infrastructure. So, alam ninyo, 42.5% of the maintenance and the improvements of Clark International Airport, managed by Philinvest. So, they have this consortium called LIPAD. So, this LIPAD, 42.5% of that is Philinvest.
Oh.
Yes.
So, that being said, sir, what you've shared to us is talagang na-build na yung credibility, reputation, and very established na yung company talaga.
Yes, so much. Yes, very. In fact, ang projects ng Philinvest, especially on the residential side, whether it is horizontal or mid-rise or high-rise residential, it is located on the 50 key cities of the Philippines. So it's nationwide.
Yes.
We have developed around 2,500 hectares of land already. And
so,
around
kalaki, no, sir?
And around 200,000 families already own Philinvest properties. So, ganun na siya kadami. And of course, ongoing pa rin yung aming land banking. So, para tuloy-tuloy na nakakapag-offer tayo. Because one of the best mission of Philinvest is to build the Filipino dreams. And normally, it's homes. Diba?
And sobrang successful na din ng mga different, yung mga na-mention nyo, sobrang successful na yung mga venture niya, no, sir?
Yes.
So, dito sa Pampanga, sir, as we dive into our discussion, we will more focus dun nga sa Claremont, sir. So, let's begin with Claremont first. So, I believe it's very near to Clark International Airport. Kasi, sir, when we had our client doon, actually, taga Cavite man sila, no? And, syempre, they're not familiar dito sa Pampanga. And we've drove from Claremont going to Clark International Airport. About 15 minutes lang din siya.
15 to 20 minutes lang.
Yes. So, kumbaga, sir, when it comes to the location na pinipili din ni Philinvest, it's very strategic and very accessible all across sa mga establishments such as yun nga, yung sa hospitals, sa mga public market, sa transpo. Kasi, from sa Santa Ynez exit going to sa Claremont, it's just about
1.8
kilometers. That's about
less than 2 kilometers.
2 to 3 minutes away lang din.
Oh,
No?
yes.
So, yung kumbaga sa location niya, panalong-panalong si Philinvest,
Yes.
and very strategic talaga, no, sir?
If only the buyers can see the map, no? If let us say this is the map of Mabalacat or Pampanga, you have Clark here.
Yes.
And Clark is inside the Mabalacat city.
Yes.
And the neighbor of that Mabalacat is already Bamban and Capas, where the new Clark City is located. So it's very lucky that we are building a community right at the doorstep of Clark International Airport. So yun yung napakaganda sa location ng Claremont. And for the word itself, Claromonte, dyan nanggaling kasi yung pangalan ng Claremont. That aside that you have the closest proximity of or access to airport and to the new Clark City, you also have the beautiful, majestic view of the Mount Arayat. And normally, properties who enjoy this view are very premium, no? It dictates price talaga. So, but in our case, Claremont is offered for the middle income. No? So talagang yung masang Pilipino ang ina-address natin.
And how many phases do we have in Claremont, sir? 6 phases ba?
Yes,
Right,
yes.
sir?
To begin with, the entire Claremont is around 52 hectares. Yan.
Yeah.
And it is being developed, it is already developed into 6 phases. But phase 1 and phase 2 are already sold out. No? Kaya ang lagi kong tanong dyan pag may namimit akong bago, bakit ngayon ka lang? Because you have seen, you should have been the first one to locate on phase 1 and phase 2. But now it's sold out. What we are selling are 3 phases. The phase 1 is phase 3. But I would like to check that phase 3 is not anymore called as phase 3. It is called Austin Homes.
Yes.
Because inside phase Austin Homes, it is divided into 2. The phase 1, which we offer townhouses, okay? And then the phase 2 is about to give a single attached or single detached unit. For sale yan in the future. Hindi pa sa ngayon, Allan. Alright. And then the next one is phase Austin yun, no? And then the next one is phase 4, Claremont phase 4. This is where we offer house and lot, single attached, startup family. Right now, we are open to sell the phase 5.
Phase 5.
Oo.
That's one of my favorite actually, sir. Offering lot only.
Yes.
So, kasi the advantage of sa lot is you could build your own design. And when it comes sa design, sir, what are the restrictions or ano ba yung kailangan nilang sundin na theme? Kasi sir, some of the unit owners or buyers are really looking forward kung pasok ba sa design ni developer. So what's the theme? I believe it's Modern Asian. Modern Asian,
Yeah,
right?
Modern Asian and minimalist.
Minimalist.
Oo. So, the very salient point to remember is that the facade should not be parang very parang meticulously designed, no, na parang mabulaklak or makulay, no. We tend to choose on the earth colors. And then we avoid yung mga corner windows, no? Yung mga corner windows. So very conservative, no? But on the inside of the unit, bahala na si buyer doon. Oo. Yung colors lang at saka yung design, hindi pwede tayo yung parang pang-resort or yung parang mga sobrang pasyonista, no? Na parang cake na yung bahay. We don't like that, no, in our community.
But at the end of the day, sir, when it comes sa design, it will be subject for approval pa din with
Lagi
the
naman.
engineering department natin, no? Ayun. So, kumbaga, i-review muna din nila before like building, no?
The process usually is that when a buyer is paid up already with their unit, yung kanilang lote, they can start requesting na yung ating lot plan. No, the lot plan is from our engineering department, so they can request that. From that lot plan, they can proceed to their own respective contractor or architecture to design the house unit for them. And after that, they will present it to our office for approval. So it's basically the height, the design outside, and then of course the credibility of the structure, of the design, because we have to observe the National Building Code.
Yes.
Yan. After that, then they can proceed now with the local government approval, building permit, and everything, no? So normally we do that process kahit isabay na natin yan sa turnover, as long as paid up na yung unit.
So advantage din sa mga kumbaga buyers yung lot only muna din yung bibili nila.
Yes,
so that
of course.
They could choose kung ano yung preferred talagang design.
Yes,
diba,
of course.
sir?
For me, owning a house is like owning your trophy. So whatever you see from the house, that represents your personality.
Correct.
So
Gusto ko yun, sir.
Oo, that represents your personality kasi ikaw yan eh. And you tell your friends, you tell your relatives, oh, this is my house. And parang pinapakita mo, nagpa-picture ka, parang selfie mo yan. So it's your trophy. No, the house should give you esteem, no, self-esteem na bahay ko to. Yan. And then sa dulo ng presentation mo, sinasabi mo, I helped design it. Diba? Yun ang maganda pagka lot only.
Correct, sir. And when it comes to the sizes, sir, how many square meter yung starting point natin?
Typically, Philinvest for the residential house and lot, ang aming frontage is on the 10 meters wide. Now,
Mga clients natin, gusto nila yung like 200, 300, 400. So, pwede naman yon. Pwede naman na adjacent lots para at least you have a bigger space talaga.
Correct.
Diba,
I'd like to correct myself. Sa phase 5, it's 132 square meter. No?
the modal size.
Yun yung typical lot cut, 132 square meter. And the price starts at around 2.4 million. Alright. If ever client would avail at more than 200 square meters, so tama ka, pwede naman silang bumili ng dalawang magkatabi. Oo. But on the house construction, especially if it is not a spot cash, if it is on the staggered payment sa bangko, we advise na yung bahay ay huwag ilagay sa gitna. Unless na-transfer na muna sa kanila, paid up na sa bangko, na-transfer na sa kanila, dapat yung buyer, i-solid na niya yung i-consolidate na niya into one title.
Okay.
But cost na nila yon.
Okay, okay.
Cost na nila. That's the only time they can put that at the center of the property. Pero kung kung medyo sinasabay natin yung pag-build ng bahay habang hinuhulugan yung amortization sa bank, we advise talaga na ang approval namin nasa isang lote lang, wag sa gitna ng dalawa. So that if in any case something happened with the finances of the owner, may mangyari, at least we can save one lot, no? At yung pwede niyang i-back out yung isa or resell niya yung isa na may bahay na hindi niya masyado maaabala.
And also, sir, you've mentioned about the monthly amortization. Kasi I believe when it comes sa payment terms, we are very flexible. So that's the thing what my clients is really looking forward din, no? Very flexible and mahaba yung payment terms natin.
Yeah,
diba,
I'm excited to share you this kasi very recent lang yung promo na nilabas natin, no. Well, aside from the spot cash, meaning a total contract price within the day or within 30 days, we also have a spot down payment, which is maybe within the day or within 30 days from the reservation stage. Then, of course, the regular staggered. The regular staggered industry practice is around, for the lot only, it's around payable 20% down payment, payable in 6 months. That's the standard industry practice.
Yes.
But I'm excited to share you this. For our lot only, we are offering the phase 5 into 1090. 10% down payment, so medyo nahati sa dalawa.
Correct.
It is more affordable. And the length of payment is 24 months. So my God, you're just paying like 13,000 a month,
sir.
no? So samantalang yung mga kakilala ko na mahilig sa gimmick, more than that, yung nauubos nila a month. Grabe. So 13,000 a month mo, nakakapag-invest ka na sa property na very close to the key progress ng Central Luzon, which is Mabalacat.
So very attainable and achievable yung mga kumbaga yung payment scheme
Correct.
that we have, no, sir?
Oo. And then the 90% balance is on the bank. So sila din naman ang magbe-benefit nun if they would like to shorten the pay term or extend the pay term. Depende yun sa kanilang mapoproduce na documentation with the bank. Okay? And if it is stressed bank, well, mas accommodating, no? Kasi siyempre, sister company namin yun. Mas accommodating tayo pagdating dun sa mga documentations. Yan. There's another thing. The phase 5 of Claremont is also offered as deferred 36 months.
Oh.
Yes. So, medyo excited ako mag-share sa iyo yan. Kasi very recently lang nilabas yan. The normal industry practice, when you say deferred, that is supposed to be 24 months only.
0% interest.
0% interest. But on phase 5, exclusive lang, Allan, kay phase 5, that is 36 months. So meaning 3 years at 0 interest.
So sobrang or super long ng terms talaga at 0 interest. Imagine na kasi when you reserve pala to a lot, you will going to lock in the price. So let's say you bought it at 2 million. Let's say for example 2 million. And then for the rest of 3 years, 2 million lang yung binabayaran
Exactly.
niya, sir.
So kahit pa nagkaroon pa ng price increase yung katabi mo, you will not be affected. Naka-lock in na sa'yo on how much did you reserve that.
So speaking of price increase, kasi sir, I've been to Philinvest na din when I started as a licensed real estate broker, no? Kasi I've also witnessed kung gaano nag-i-increase at nag-i-increase yung value ng property over period of time. So imagine 5 years na akong broker, and then kung magkano na yung na-increase ng value sa Claremont, sobrang taas na din, di ba?
Yeah.
So when it comes to investing, so hindi ka talaga malulugi when it comes sa pagbili ng lot only. And
Yes.
of course, another advantage is lesser maintenance din siya, knowing na wala kang i-maintain kasi as in lupa lang siya.
Lalo na ngayon sa Phase 5 at saka sa Hampton Orchard, wala pa kaming homeowners dyan. So talagang wala kang maintenance pa as of today. Universally true na kapag sa real estate ka nag-invest, no, talagang walang pag-depreciate.
Yes.
It's always appreciation. Now, when you mention about price increase, there are too many factors. One is our location. The location of our project in Pampanga, both Hampton and Claremont, are in the progressive side of the province of Pampanga. In other words, the assessment of the provincial assessment normally grows periodically after 3 years. No? After 3 years. Aside from that is the inflation or the economy. So pagka tumataas na ang demand sa Pampanga, dumataas din yung assessment value ng probinsya. So wala kami magawa bilang developer.
Correct, sir.
Dahil pag nag-RPT o real property tax, yun na yung value na ina-assess sa amin. So buyers, as soon as bumili kayo, malaki yung natitipid ninyo. In my history since 2022, sa loob ng isang taon, minsan 3 beses nagpa-price increase ang assessment ng mga property. Because nga, alam mo naman ang Clark o ang Pampanga is siya yung susi ng progress ng buong Central Luzon. Ang daming pumupunta dito and therefore demand ang property. So dahil sa ganyan, yung gobyerno mismo, nag-iiba sila ng assessment. Hindi namin mapigilan yung pag-price increase.
Yun nga, sir, you've mentioned na iba-iba yung mga clients din natin, and even since sa Manila dinede-congest na. So more of sa experience ko, no, sir, most of our clients taga Cavite, Manila. So talagang dito na sila pumupunta sa Pampanga. Diba, sir?
As early as 2 years ago, nagsisimula na silang mag-migrate dito, magpuntahan dito, kasi napakalaki pa ng lupain ng buong Pampanga. Ngayon, 2024, konti na lang ang nag-o-offer ng lot only. So, wala na ka naman. So, ang natitira is Porac and Mabalacat. Mabalacat, nagsabi na yung gobyerno, wala nang magbebenta ng malalaking lote para sa private. Kasi nga, ang Clark ang inaalagaan nila dahil ang airport magiging international. So, ang natitira mo na lang talaga is yung project namin na lote. So, guys, if you're listening to me or watching this, you may tell yourself or tell your relatives and friends that investment in real estate property dito sa Pampanga is very timely. Kasi, like one of my client, 2 weeks after niyang bumili, nagkaroon ng price increase in the entire province. So, yung binili niyan 2 million, nabibili na ngayon ng 2.7. So, 700,000 na agad yung kinita niya. On the first 2 weeks pa lang na nabili na yon.
So, that's the beauty of investing in real estate.
Yes,
talaga, no, sir?
Kahit lote lang muna, no? Kasi kahit wala ka pang gagawing improvements, hulog-hulog lang, habang hinuhulugan mo, tumataas na yung value ng iyong property.
About sa dito sa Hampton Orchard, kung saan tayo nagvi-video podcast, sir.
Yes.
So, dito sa Hampton, it is strategically located then between two major cities.
Yes.
In sa Angeles and sa San Fernando. So, how many hectares do we have here sa Hampton, sir?
32 hectares. The phase 1 on my right side is 10.9 hectares, but that is sold out already.
Yes.
I only have 3 units available as RFO.
Okay.
The 2 of those are dating model unit, and the other one is ready for occupancy. Walang gamit sa loob. But the majority of activity now is on the phase 2. No? The phase 2 has around 500 units. No? So medyo malaki yan. Because this is 21.1 hectares. So napakalaki. At ang nabubuksan pa lang namin is wala pa kami sa 50%. So very fresh. Kahit ngayon sila pumunta, makikita nilang napaka-fresh kung tingnan ng lugar na to. No? And the reason why it is called Hampton Orchard, we are the only developer, or this is the only community na meron kaming mango orchard sa loob ng subdivision. Yes, no?
So perfect yan sa mga plantita-plantita, no,
yes.
sir?
Sa ilalim ng 1 hektaryang manggahan, no, is meron kaming jogging path, meron kaming picnic areas, meron kaming barbecuehan, meron kaming amphitheater. Aside from children's playground, meron pa kaming tinatawag namin human sandayan.
Oh.
So that is so 1 hectare to enjoy. At sabi ko nga sa mga bumibili, alam mo, na-enjoy mo yan habang naka-stay ka dito. Eh, paano kung wala na ako, sir? O pwede mong ipamana pa rin yan because hindi naman naalisin yan dyan. So, it's part of your lifestyle.
And very generous siya when it comes to open spaces. No,
Yes.
sir? As in, kasi normally, 30-70 yung as per the law.
Yes.
Diba? But right now, as I can see, sobrang dami niyang mga amenities that you could enjoy.
Aside from this clubhouse, no? Aside, doon sa sinasabi ko kaninang mango orchard, that is a secondary amenity, no? It's really a plus, no? For homeowners. Kasi ang very common is you have a clubhouse, swimming pool, basketball court. But yung aming basketball court, kinayabang ko, it's a multi-court, no, multi-purpose court, because you that is adjusted on the size and the on the features para pwede siyang volleyball, tennis at saka basketball. Plus, meron din children's playground dito, may mga gazebo din tayo. Doon is really something else. Kasi you are under the mango orchard while doing this activity. Alam mo, madalas pag nagtitripping yung aking mga kliyente dito, pag pumapasok na sila doon sa mango orchard, parang gusto na nilang doon na tumira. Parang, tapos na po tayo. Tapos sasabihin niya, mamaya na, ang sarap dito, malamig. Ganyan lagi yung hindi pa masyadong tapos yung aming landscaping.
Very laid back yung version, no, dito, na despite of you very accessible yung location, pero parang yung vibes parang nasa province ka talaga na very peaceful yung community, no?
That is why we call it modern countryside. Modern, it's because you are in between the two progressive cities of Pampanga, which is Angeles and San Fernando. And if you are on a higher ground, like nasa roof deck ka ng bahay mo or terrace ka dito sa may enjoy mo yung view ng Bataan and Zambales mountain ranges.
Totoo, sir.
Yan. Kaya talagang ang lamig.
How about the typical cat size naman dito sa Hamptons? How many square meter ba yung modal size that we have?
It's normally 156.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ayan, sir. Dun sa 156, madami ka na din magagawa dun, no, sir? Very, malaki na din.
Malaki yun,
space na din, no, sir?
Well, comparing it to Claremont, kung ang sabi ko kanina sa Claremont is startup, dito talaga is more on the investment. Sa some of our homeowners, build their house na merong wading pool. Alam mo yung pangbata lang, yung hanggang tuhod lang, ganyan. Pinapayagan namin yun, no? Kasi ganyan na kalaki yung lote dito. So, it's a different lifestyle compared to the Claremont lote. Kasi ito, pang na talaga, higher middle class.
How about the theme, sir, that they should follow, the unit owners that should follow?
Well, ang theme namin dito is originally, no, Spanish, modern Spanish. Pero while we observe that, kasi parang hindi na uso yung mga bulky na mga pader, no, mga cladding, we also modernize it. It's still on the earth colors. Corner windows are still not allowed. Pero in terms of facade, very minimal na lang din yung hinahanap namin. Hindi na katulad nitong clubhouse na to na medyo bulky tingnan, no? That, very imposing yung kanyang authority and strength na matigas. Pero syempre, nag-a-adjust na tayo ngayon sa modern world. So tumatanggap na tayo ng modern design, but yung color scheme ay dapat hindi mawawala. Plus, yun nga, yung mga corner windows, very traditional pa rin tayo.
So, para at least kapag nabuo yung buong community, maganda din naman tignan.
Yes,
sir.
Yes.
Hindi yung parang
halo-halo.
Iba-iba. Kumbaga, may uniformity lang ng konti.
Yes.
Pero, hindi naman as in para-pareho talaga.
Yes.
Kumbaga,
that's why the developers or the buyers are really appreciate if you issue a deed of restriction, because that deed of restriction will manage the kind of look of the development. Kahit na nailipat mo na siya sa homeowners association, na-maintain na nila yung ganda.
Yes.
No? So maraming buyers ang tinatanong yan, meron ba kayo ditong deeds of restriction? When they hear na meron, they are happy. Kasi alam nila, ganito yung magiging control over the designs of the unit. Yan, malalaki ang kalsada dito sa Hampton Orchards, no? Minimum na namin yung 12, minimum, no? Sa typical na housing na middle class mo, mayroon ka dyan 8 meters lang.
Yes,
Oo, pero dito, regularly 12. Yung spine road namin, umaabot sa 22 square meters yung lapad, yung spine road.
And yun nga, yung sa right of way niya, no, yung papunta dito, sobrang
malawak talaga. Oo, at saka yung right of way natin from Duncan Road, talaga mapapansin mo, you are being transformed into a quiet place, into an exclusive place, and a lifestyle of not really naman rich and famous, but of something na may na-achieve ka na sa buhay.
Correct, sir.
Diba?
So yun, thank you so much, sir. Anything more to add to our viewers, sir?
Well, maybe what I can add about the Hampton, because we have not mentioned about the promo or the pricing, no? We also offer 1090.
So similar with Claremont?
Yes, except that wala kaming 36 months deferred dito, no? But what we have is 10% down payment over 24 months and 90% bank financing. Yon siya. And the community is seen to be turned over sa mga qualified accounts early next year. No, early next year. And then the Hampton Orchard or the Mango Grove na sinasabi ko, maybe we can launch that for public or for the community use maybe around 2 quarters from now.
Maybe later on, we could also visit there, no?
Yes.
Sir? And we'll take a video doon.
Oo.
We're going to flash to our podcast, and para at least sa mga nasa abroad, they could have view about our project, no? And yun nga, again, sir, thank you so much.
You're welcome
For having us today, and yun nga, looking forward kami to help more clients, no, to acquire properties or lots here in Claremont or in Hampton by Philinvest. Ayun.
So thank you so much and congratulations sa Allan Marquez Realty. And yes, we invite you to join us or visit our project from our website. Sa website ni Allan, makikita nyo how beautiful and very beneficial investment this is for you. All about from Philinvest Land who wants to build the dream of the Filipino dreams.
And yun nga, if you want to have a specific computation, we will going to show you the map and kung ano yung mga available doon. So we will gonna generate and send you proposal, and we conduct also Zoom presentation for our discussion para detailed tayo and comprehensive yung discussion. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell button so that you will be notified whenever we upload new videos and sa mga real estate market trends that we could share it with you. Alright? To give you a glimpse of the Mango Orchard dito sa Hampton Orchard. Kaya nga tinawag siyang orchard, diba, sir? So if you've noticed behind us, talagang mga manggahan talaga, no, Sir Zuri?
Yeah. Welcome, Allan, dito sa aming secondary amenity for Mango Orchard. This is actually 1 hectare of mango trees and around 50 or 52 trees already. And all of these trees are registered under DENR. So we are not allowed to cut or to move any of these trees. But rather, we would like to enjoy these trees as they breathe fresh air and energy. We will use the under trees to be our amenity.
Pero sir, question, pwede bang kumuha ng mga dito, ng bunga, ng mangga?
Pwede naman, as long as you protect yourself, because we are not, we do not promise na babantayan ka namin kung mahulog ka or what. Medyo matataas kasi, this kind of trees kasi hindi siya yung katulad ng mga modernong puno na mababa lang, maabot mo na yung bunga. This kind of species, matataas ang bunga nila. So, medyo mahirap akyatin. Okay. So, Allan, this is about 1 hectare.
Oh, okay,
Tapos,
sir.
sprawling around this is the jogging path. You can see na nakatayo tayo.
Oo nga, sir.
And pardon if you see this as medyo lupa pa yung parts, no?
Landscape pa, sir.
But yeah, this is for landscaping na. Nasa ano na tayo, bidding na kung sino ang gagawa, no? We will have children's playground on that side, yung medyo colored na semento nakikita mo. And then, parang collect or gathering area, yung mas malapad na semento. And then this one is the jogging path. And down below is the amphitheater. The amphitheater, we follow the contour of the land. What we do is put bleachers around it, okay, on the contour, and then yung pinaka medyo lowest part will be our stage. The purpose being is that for the community to enjoy for their private events like garden weddings or even the natural Sunday afternoon, ordinary Sunday afternoon where children gather and do some play role or practices for school activities, they can do it here. Very safe dito sa loob ng subdivision ng Hampton Orchards.
Kasi sir, before actually during the pandemic yun, nung pumunta kami dito, as in wala pa talaga to.
Yes,
And
matalahib, maputik.
Maputik. Wala pa din mga roads na maayos. But right now, nakita talaga namin kung paano nag-improve at na-develop tong area na to.
Yes,
sir.
oo. Ito ay pwedeng maging sentro ng activity nila, outdoor activity ng mga taga Hampton Orchards. Meron tayong CR dito, merong picnic areas. We have 6 table and chairs at meron tayong wash area also. Magkakaroon ng 2 gate, 2 parking area. So talagang napakalaki, no? Napakalaki. And yun nga, sinasabi ko, kung napansin mo, pag-akyat natin dito, lumamig ng konti sa pakiramdam. Because iba talaga yung hininga ng natural trees.
Napaka-presko talaga yung vibes dito, sir.
Yeah. So, it's going to be very romantic and cozy in the evening. Okay? Some other parts there, lalagyan pa yan ng mga kapis na ilaw, yung portion dyan. So, you can imagine, napaka talaga, cozy ng lugar na to.
Ayun, thank you so much, Sir Jory. So at least yung mga clients natin or mga buyers, they do have really the glimpse of what Hampton Orchard has to offer sa inyo.
Yes po. Imagine, kahit isang lote lang yung property mo dito, but you got to enjoy this kind of lifestyle. Normally, people has to pay an entrance fee for a park like this, but this one, kung dito kayo nakatira, you've got to enjoy this anytime you want for the rest of your life.
Yes. Thank you so much, Sir Jory. All right.
Thank you.
So as we've shared to our video podcast a while ago, so this is what we are referring sa mga available lots namin that you could choose from, no? So typical size is 156 square meter and above. So if you want to have 2 adjacent lots, pwede din. So that's why you have to feel free to message us to get to know more and get in touch with us so that we could conduct Zoom presentation, so that we could share more of information about our project. Okay,